What are the 5 secret differences between stage and screen? Hi guys, Ruggero here from One Foot in the Door, currently in Venice, as you can see. Now, I want to share with you 5 key differences between acting for the stage and acting for the screen that nobody really talks about. Number 1, no rehearsals. When we work on stage, it's normal to have at least a few weeks of rehearsal before the show opens. During that time, we get to work with the director and other actors to get really deep into the material to craft an interesting character and to really create a great performance. On camera, that doesn't happen. Nobody rehearses before production starts. If you're lucky, you get a teeny tiny rehearsal of the scene you're doing right before they shoot it. So all the rest of the work you have to do yourself. Number 2, no directors. Of course, there is a director, but directors on camera are not usually concerned with your acting. They, most of the time, just work on the shots, the visual storytelling. They don't even know very often how actors work. So you can't expect them to be there for you, ready to talk about motivations and all the rest. They will expect you to know what you're doing, and if they don't like something, they might tell you. They might not as well. So again, you have to do the work yourself. Number 3, the audience does not experience your performance. On stage, what you do is exactly the show that the audience experiences, which is why it's so important to learn how to cover when things go wrong. On camera, that is not the case. The editor gets all the footage of all the bits of performances repeated over and over and over and puts them together with the director. So it's extremely important to know how that process works and to understand how reactions work and all the rest, so that you can give to the editor good material that they can edit and put together to create the performance in post-production. It's a very, very different process. Number 4, the audience moves. On stage, the audience is always there. On camera is different. The camera is your audience. So every shot, the audience is in a different place. And you need to adjust slightly. You need to know how to cheat for camera in an effective way so that the audience can see you in the best possible way. Same thing you do on the stage, cheating for the audience, but you need to adjust it every single time. So you need to know what kind of shot they're doing, how tight it is, what kind of camera movement are they doing, how far or close is the actual camera, and even if it's far away, how tight is the shot. All these things matter a lot if you want to give a great screen performance. Number 5, the audience is a lot closer. Think about it. When you're on stage, the closest member of the audience is at least 5 meters away. On camera, the audience is a lot closer. Even just a shot like this that I am doing now makes it feel like you are really close to me right now, yeah? If I come here and I do a big close-up, how close would we be in real life in order to see me this close? On stage, you never get to that point. So you need to know how to adjust your performance to this much, much closer and more intimate type of relationship with the audience. I know it's a lot to take in. So if you are interested, I'm doing a workshop on the 25th and 26th of November in London called Carrying the Story. How to make sure you can craft an interesting, cohesive journey without a rehearsal, without a director, and by shooting all the scenes out of order. How can you make sure that once you put them in the right order, you are creating the best possible character arc for your character? Whether you're a protagonist or a small character, doesn't matter.
I've done a few of Ruggero's workshops, and it never feels like that because he always manages to bring something new. And I think it's because you can just tell that he really cares.
I learn best really when doing stuff, and there's a lot of practical elements to this course.
He allows me the freedom to really step into myself as an actor, and I can't wait to do the next one.
For more information, please click on the link below, and I will see you soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.